care about going on dates. You know, whatever he can do for you.
Yeah.
So what you bring to the table then? You gonna drop that neck?
I feel like a man is supposed to build the table. Like I was at my own table, just like how I was walking down the street. I was minding my own business, and you came and you hollered at me, right? I wasn't interested until I seen what I wanted. You wasn't interested until you seen what you wanted, which was me. Right?
I didn't say I wanted you. I said you looked good. That don't mean I want you.
That's right. Dad's got this number. I've seen your car. I gotta do one.
Just because I got the car.
Yeah, but you wanted to. Well, I got some big like.
Dude, I didn't want to see them.
All right then. So let's keep it straight up.
But look though, this is the thing though. I'm not no trick.
I see it.
I'm not about to look though.
But I'm not gonna with it. Who's not gonna do it for me too at the end of the day. So, yeah.
Look, I don't even know what to tell you then, because I'm not the type of dude that's gonna take you shopping. I don't even know you though.
So that's the end of the line for me.
What you mean that's the end of the line?
I mean, you could go try another girl. You trying to spit games, see if she gonna you after this and that. I'm telling you straight up what I want. You could get what you want by giving me what I want. That's it.
I think we wasted time here for real.
Yeah, I do agree. We are wasting each other's time.
I just wish you thought different, because you really do seem like a cool girl. No. It seemed like you just need some guidance though.
I think you need some
No,
guidance.
I don't though.
I think you need to go try another girl.
No, honestly, it just seemed like me. You just gold digger, honestly.
Yeah.
Honest gold digger.
Yeah.
But unfortunately, you know, so you could really just get the gold diggers though. You know what I'm saying? I tried to school you. I tried to give you. I ain't want to do all that to you, but it seemed to me like you just don't care anyway though. So I'll go. You have a good day. I'm gonna be honest, y'all.